Right, so this Transit doesn't have sat nav, but it doesn't matter if you've got your mobile, the charging lead, click the charging lead, put the charging lead in, and then if we just click that in, just watch the phone. Actually, I'll just click that back to home. If we put that in the phone, just watch out. That's it, that's Apple CarPlay. It just does everything. It shows me low fuel. Now if I go there, as I say, it's showing low fuel. If I click on low fuel, it automatically gives me the nearest fuel station, which is very worrying because it's 39 minutes away. But you can just do anything. Oops. I'm going to put the phone down now. Now, if we click on there, you'll see you can do absolutely anything. Click on music, and again, we can play any music. If I want to use my phone as a sat nav, hey Siri, navigate to PR5 4EA.
Getting directions to Preston PR5 4EA.
Go.
Starting route to PR5 4EA.
That's it. So you can be driving along,
East on Trough Road.
change your mind, go somewhere else. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. Hey Siri, send a text to Barrie Crampton iPhone.
What do you want to say?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Ford Transit we've just taken in.
Your message to Barrie Crampton says just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Ford Transit with just tightening. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
I'm not saying it's perfect. You'll see there, messages come up. So,
Barrie Crampton said just testing the Apple CarPlay in this Ford Transit with just tightening. Would you like to reply?
no.
Okay.
Now, I've got to say my accent, that I don't think I have, doesn't work particularly well with with Siri. So hopefully you'll have fewer problems than me. But I mean, even I think it's a fantastic system, and it can't understand me. So that tells you how good it is. So there you go. You've got your calendar, you've got settings, Amazon Music. Click on there. My soundtrack, whatever that is, based on Manfred Mann and the Turtles. That'll be interesting. The Mighty Quinn. I don't particularly like that one. Judy in Disguise, Waterloo Sunset. I got you, babe. I mean, CarPlay's it's just fantastic. Well, go to the phone. Again, you can phone anybody, but there's the phone, recents, contacts, keypad. It's a fantastic system. WhatsApp.
Would you like me to read your messages, compose a new one, or make a call?
Read messages.